In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the SUBSTRING function. We can extract matches between two delimiters, even if the delimiters are different, and even if the delimiter contains multiple words. The first case is not complicated. We need the second match of the text between parentheses. Type SUBSTRING. The first argument is the text we want to process. Now add the two delimiters, between which we want to search for the matching value. We are looking for the second element. The argument's value will be 2. The last argument remains false, because we do not want all matches. And here is the final result. It looks good. Now, let's extract strings between the two delimiters. Skip the occurrence argument, and then set this argument to true. We get all matching records. The following example is a bit tricky, because the two delimiters will not be the same. However, the good news is that SUBSTRING handles this just as well as the previous two cases. Okay, here comes the challenge. In this case, the delimiter contains multiple words. Add the arguments. The result looks good. The formula did a great job again. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button and stay tuned.